Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing the passages of lesson 3.3, the last leaf. We have completed this lesson. So passage from the very first page, passage that is 67 of this, page number 67. Okay. So there you will get this passage. And the passage starts from in the poorer parts. Here it will start in the poorer parts. From there, till that is almost a whisper. Almost a whisper. So even as I told you that it is fill in the blanks or complete the statements. So here we will do it complete. Complete the sentence. So the first one is complete the sentence, that is Sue and Josie had come to Sue and Josie had come to, and you have to complete. In complete the sentence, there can be more than one word. Okay, so there can be 4 or 5 words there. Till the sentence ends, you have to write it. In complete the sentence and fill in the blanks, there can be only 1 or 2 words. But in complete the sentence, there can be more than 2 or 3 words, and then till full stop you have to write it. Next one is, those you look after her well. Though Sue looked after her well. Though Sue looked after her well. So it will be continuing and you have to write the whole sentence in the full stops. Next one is A2. A2 is always answer the following and it will be from the passage. So that is answer the following. The questions will be from the passage only. So the first one, can you see it? So the first one, that question is, what dreadful illness did Josie suffer from? What dreadful illness did Josie suffer from? And second question, you will get it, that is, what did the doctor tells you about Josie? And the third one, A3 question will be the vocabulary question. So write the meanings of or find the words from the passage. Or write that is a verb form or the noun form. So here we will have, write the verb forms of first one, that is improvement. And second one, that is movement. Next is A4. A4 is always do as directed. So that is do as directed, grammar questions. First one, though she looked after her well. Though you look After her well, there is a comma. After her well, Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. Can you see the whole sentence? Yes, now you can see it, the whole sentence. So here it will be used but. And after writing this, you will get the next question. Two grammar questions are there. So the next question is, Sue thought that she had fallen asleep. Sue thought that she had fallen asleep. Okay. That is, identify the clause. And then A5 as personal response. A5 is the personal response. So that will mean willpower is necessary with medicines to cure. So that is, willpower is necessary with medicines. Okay. Justify your answer. This is passage A. Now we will discuss the answers. See the first question, fill in the blanks, complete the following statements. I told you complete the following statements means you have to complete it till the full stop. The first one, A1, Sue and Johnsy had come to. See in the passage you will get that Sue and Johnsy had come to. Okay. So listen here in the third line itself, they had come to. Instead of they, we have written the names there, Sue and Johnsy. They had come to New York from different parts of the United States. So you have to write the complete the statement till the full stop. Okay. Second one that is, those you looked after her well. See that you will find out this line in the passage itself. Okay. In the second one, those you looked after her well. Second paragraph, the last line, Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. So you will write up to improvement. Now second question has answered the following. The question is, first one, what dreadful illness did Johnsy suffer from? So you can write only pneumonia. Okay, only the answer can be pneumonia. And whenever you are writing the answers from the passages, at that time, no need to begin with the capital letter and full stop also no need. Okay, but only if there is a noun and if you start the answer with I, then you have to begin it with the capital letter. Otherwise, if you write, you can write in one word also. What dreadful illness did Johnsy suffer from? Pneumonia. Okay, no need to give capital letter or full stop because this answer is directly from the passage. Only the answers which are directly from the passage that you can write in this manner. But nouns will be always in the capital letter. Next question is, what did the doctor tell you about Johnsy? So you will find out in the third paragraph, that is, and that chances for her to want to leave. Your little lady has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. So what the doctor told, that your little lady had made mind that she is not going to well. He told you that medicines alone did not help if the patient did not wish to leave. Okay, so in this way, medicine will not help her. Her willpower should be also there for her to get well. So what did the doctor say Sue about Johnsy? That she is not at all trying to get well. Medicines alone would not work. Okay, so that will be the question answers. Next one, A3. Write the verb forms of, very simple, improvement and movement. So only improve and move. That is the verb form. Okay, and give the proper numbers. Next, A4, you will get it there. A4 first one, though she looked after her well, Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. Use but. So though is always removed by but. This you have to keep in mind. And though is used in the beginning of the sentence, but is used in the center. So you will start the sentence. She looked after her well, but Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. Okay, though always it will in the beginning, but will in the center. So you will, where there is a comma after well, you will add it there, but. So the answer will be, she looked after her well, but Johnsy showed no signs of improvement. Okay, though means it is a complex sentence. Okay, you are using a subordinator. That is the adverb clause of concession. Okay, but when you are using but in the middle, it is a compound sentence. You are using a coordinator. Means you are changing a complex sentence into a compound sentence. Okay, so that is though is adverb clause of concession. So this though sentence, it can be asked into three forms. That is, identify the clause can be also there. Identify the clause. Okay. Then rewrite as a compound sentence. Use but. So one and the same answer you will get it. When you are removing though means you are changing complex into compound and you are using but there. Though is used in the beginning and but is used in the center where there is a comma. Okay. Before starting the second sentence. Second grammar question, that is, she thought that she had fallen asleep. Now identify the clause. Whenever you will identify the clause, you will first have to identify the main clause. So what is main clause? She thought. She thought, you will write it, give a dash, and then main clause, M capital, C capital. Okay, main clause, because you are writing the name of the clause. Then from the subordinator that she had fallen asleep, you will write down that she had fallen asleep. That is our noun clause. Then you will write down object of the verb thought. Now she thought what? When you ask the what question to the verb, you get the answer. So that is noun clause. We have already done this. Okay. So therefore, first you will have to identify the main clause, then and only you can identify the subordinate clause. So she thought, that is our main clause, and that she had fallen asleep, that is our noun clause. Object of the verb thought. Verb will be from the main clause. Okay. Then last question is, willpower is also necessary with medicines to cure, or to cure is if it is not given. Willpower is also necessary with medicines. Justify your answer. So first ever you will write, yes, I agree with the statement that willpower, because this question is to you. Personal response is always to you. So you will start the answer with I. So I agree with this statement as willpower, because as we have seen in the lesson, that how Johnsy, she has not strong willpower, so she thought that she will die and she was not taking the medicines, or medicines was not affecting her. But willpower is always necessary, and you can give the example of your any relative if such case has happened. If he or she was suffering from some serious disease, you can give that example of if you had fallen ill, kabhi fracture where something has happened. So at that time, willpower is necessary. And medicines will work, but when you are strong, when your willpower is strong to get well soon, at that time, medicines also work properly. So this is the passage A. Tomorrow we are going to discuss with the passage B. So already the answers have been discussed, and as I told you, you have to write the answers. Okay, till then, goodbye. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we are going to discuss passage B.